let us see about next in line is like let us see about the profiling of data in Power BI. Okay, profiling data is about studying the nuances of the data. Okay, determining anomalies, errors. Okay, examining and developing the underlying data structure. Okay, and querying about the data statistics such as row counts, value distributions. Okay, and minimum and maximum values. So how are we going to check? That is that is what is called profiling a data. We are studying about whether the data has some errors, the column has some errors or not. Okay, and how is the quality of the content of a particular column or for the entire data model.
Here the green color shows that your data is 100% valid and it doesn't have any error. You see this 0%. Okay, no data, no row is empty or it doesn't have any error. If there is some error, it's going to show red color over here. How are we going to see this column profile and see the quality of our data? Go to view. Okay, through the view menu, select column quality. Here you get to see the statistics of your data based on individual column. All right, data is 100% valid. It's green color. If has some error, you got to see this instead of this green color here, you get to see the red error color. Okay, and the percentage of also of individual column. How many percentage of your data has the errors? Okay, column distribution. Here you get to see the distinct how many within each column, how many distinct values are there and how many unique values are there. Okay, it will show you the graph as well with the statistics. Let's check the column profile. Similarly, based on each individual column, when you select, okay, you get to see the statistics uh, of your data. Only thing is like you got to check whether our data is having some error, okay, or any blank field is there. Because why if there is some error or any empty null numbers are there, then definitely our data is not correct. It will affect our calculation. So this is where we have to investigate in each column if there is some error or any empty null numbers or any error. Okay, so we have to go back to our data source in Excel. Okay, based on these error figures, and we have to investigate and correct the data into the data source. That's how it's going to help us to investigate where we are having errors and data inaccuracies in our actual data source, in our actual Excel file. So that's all about column profiling, friends.